Hi, I'm Ivy from Telecam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SRT feature in the vMix with our Telecam NDI PTZ camera. First, you need to know the IP address of your NDI camera. So we're going to open the search engine and input your IP address of the camera, which is the first one. Now here we are on the web UI page and we're going to log in. Here is the image and click settings, and here you can see the video transmission on the left. Let's go down to the SRT part. We have actually two different modes. So firstly, we're gonna choose the camera as the listener and click enable. The port number would be 1600. The encryption, you can leave it on or off as you like. And here we click save. It can generate the mainstream and substream address. So now let's go to the vMix. And we're gonna click down here. There's add input, stream and SRT. The stream type would be SRT caller because we just set up our camera as the listener, so the vMix will call the camera. And the host name would be the IP address of your PTZ camera. And the port number, remember, it's 1600. The stream ID. If you want to output the mainstream picture, you can input R equals 0. If you want output the substream image, you can input R equals 1. So here, let's have a look of how the mainstream image look like. So we're going to input R equals 0 and click OK. So here is the image of the mainstream. And if you So let's have a look of the substream image, SRT stream and SRT as a caller, and hostname still the IP address of your PTZ camera. The port number is 1600 and the stream ID would be R equals 1 because we want to output the substream image, and click OK. So let's have a look of the substream image and the mainstream. So you can see the mainstream one is more clear than the substream image. Okay, so that's how you set up your camera as a listener and the vMix as a caller. So let's do it all the way around. To change your camera as a caller, so here it's a little bit more complicated than as the listener. So the IP address would be the IP address of your local internet, not your PTZ camera. So it's 2.11. And the port number for mainstream is 2000. And the port number for substream is 3000. And here, R equals 0 for mainstream and R equals 1 for substream. Click Save. Okay, now let's go to the vMix. To set our vMix as a listener, for the mainstream, remember our port number is 2000 and mainstream's ID R equals 0. Okay, so here's the mainstream. And if you want to see how to set up the substream, still stream type is SRT as listener, port number is 3000 and stream ID R equals 1. So have a look. So this is the mainstream image and the substream. Yeah, a little bit blurred. So that's all for how you set up your output using the SRT protocol with our telecam on the vMix. So if you have any questions, just drop a line below. Thank you.